Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install a pet door on this hollow interior door. We have two French bulldogs and two cats, and we already have a door of this size installed in other part of our house, and this size is comfortable for our pets to use, and this is why we decided to buy it again. The brand is Ideal Pet Products. Let's open the box. Inside of the box you will find installation guide, a door itself, and screws. The door has outer frame, a plastic lockout slide to keep your pet in or out, and inner frame with a flap. And let's start the installation. I want to install my door about 5 inches from the floor. When you did the first mark, position your door. Mark a door at least in 2 places to make sure that the door is installed evenly. Use a pencil to draw around the inside edge of the outer frame. And when finished, use a multi-tool to cut the opening. And remove the first cutout piece. Use a small drill bit for wood to drill holes in the corners. Using a pencil and a ruler, draw a straight line from one hole to another. Using a multi-tool, carefully cut along the pencil line all the way around. Remove the last cutout piece. Let's try to fit the inner frame. And it fits perfectly. Great. And finish cutting the opening for the outer frame. Let's try to fit the outer frame. Insert the inner frame into opening from interior side. Insert outer frame into opening from exterior side. And make sure frame is flush with the door surface. If it's not flush, push the inner and outer frame inside of the opening. To keep inner and outer frame in place, secure the door with provided screws. To make both frames flush with the door surface, tighten the screws. And this is it, guys. I think it was really easy installation process. It took me about like 20 minutes to complete, and I'm very happy with the result. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.